evening. I'm Christy Casciano.
I'm Jeff Kulikowski. Thanks for joining us. State and county leaders have been grappling with a low supply of the COVID-19 vaccine and high demand.
They're trying to make it more accessible to communities often underserved and hard hit by the virus. News Channel 9's Adrian Smith takes us to the city of Syracuse's first pop-up vaccination site.
When Pastor Darren Jaime of the People's AME Zion Church first heard his place of worship would be transformed into a pop-up vaccination site, he excitedly picked up the phone and called members of his congregation about the opportunity. 83-year-old Shirley Moody being one of them.
I think that's a great thing, and especially we need it in our neighborhoods too, because sometimes the black neighborhoods and the Latino neighborhoods, we are either last or we don't get it. And we are the ones who usually get the disease first, and some of us don't make it. So I'm very proud of my pastor that him and Governor Cuomo have gotten together, and they picked our church as one of the churches to do this in. And I'm very blessed.
To have this vaccine be able to be accessible at a time like this, and to have it across our city and our state really is going to make a difference.
Pastor Jaime says he hasn't heard of any additional pop-ups being held here at the church. However, everyone who got vaccinated today will come again in 3 weeks to get their second dose. However, Pastor Jaime does say that if he gets that second call, the church doors will be open.
What we wanted to have was a church that was going to be a haven of healing and help and hope, and to open our doors not just for spiritual means, but holistically. And so to have the opportunity to open up holistically and to be able to provide this service for our community means a lot to myself. It means a lot to our church family.
Giving this community a shot at health and hope. In Syracuse, Adrian Smith, News Channel 9.
There were only 250 vaccination spots, but they were already filled before the clinic opened up today. If we hear of any more pop-up vaccination sites, whether here at AME Zion Church or elsewhere in the greater Syracuse area, we will certainly let you know. Christy?